Welcome to Ask Me Six Sigma YouTube channel. I am James, and we are going to uncover some questions you never get to ask in statistic classes. Some maybe be pretty basic, while other could be quite interesting.
Hi, this week we talk about the process capability of the process that uses attribute chart. It is a standard procedure to calculate process capability for a process that uses variable chart, like X-bar chart. This capability index is PPK. The PPK formula is as follows. If your process have both upper and lower limit, you calculate the process capability for both upper and lower side. And use the lower value as your process capability. Remember to use the overall process variation for calculation of the standard deviation values. So for a standard variable SPC chart, like X-bar, it is a common practice to calculate and report PPK every month or quarter. So if your process uses attribute chart, how do you calculate the PPK? Since there is no upper or lower spec limit, we cannot use the formula to calculate the process capability. So, how do we report the process capability for attribute chart? You can use the average of the non-conformance or percentage of defect as the process capability. If you use C-chart to plot the number of defects found in each sampling, then report average number of defect as process capability. If you use P-chart to plot the percentage of defects found in each sampling, then report average percentage of defect as process capability. So does correlate to PPK? Yes. For a normal population, we can calculate the number of defect for a PPK value. So, we can also calculate PPK value from the defective level in your process. In Excel spreadsheet, this is the formula to use. One thing to note is that we are using average number of failure, doesn't care whether it failed the upper or lower spec limit. So we can't tell whether process is drifting to the upper or lower from the central point. There you have it, the process capability for an attribute chart. Till next topic, have fun with numbers.